Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix keyboard issue on your Mac operating system. So before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So to solve this issue, first go to your system settings, then update the software to latest version and restart now. Then go to accessibility and click on keyboard. Now turn on full keyboard access and click on accessibility keyboard. Now go to keyboard settings. Now turn off all shortcuts and then click on restore default and click done. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.